Got a new model, new haircut, new gear, new program to edit with, and you're coming along on this shoot. And while you're there, Shannon, if you could just hit subscribe, that would be stellar. And Sean, you too. I recently had the chance to work with a variety of really cool new products on one big shoot using the beautiful Lucia, new model here in Austin, Texas. I've just been dying to photograph her. I actually aired this entire thing live, so if you want to see the entire shoot from start to finish, you can catch that out in Photo Insiders. I do a lot of live shoots there along with education where you can see the entire thing. Let's get into what this shoot was all about. Well, first of all, I ended up getting this Nightcore Cinefan, which Cinewind it's called. It is ridiculously strong. I mean, just like, actually I don't think the batteries are charged. Oh, they're charged. You want to see how strong this is? I'm scared. I did not mean to fall off the chair. But I love Jim Carrey, nothing like overacting. Okay, so got to play with that. Don't worry, did not do that to my model. That would be mean. But of course, we used some atmosphere aerosol, which is one of my faves. Way to elevate just a wee bit production, even though I'm going to show you a really cool way we did. And of course, we have these pavotubes by Nanlite, which are really just glorified lightsabers in lots of different colors. And that's exactly how I use them a little bit. But we just had a lot of fun. So check out the shoot. In my head, I feel like I know what I'm doing, so I think I'm gonna have you stand here first. I know you went to the backdrops because that's where normal people stand. I'll probably have you either like just move it or maybe have it come up and down. Like, let's try not to hit ourselves with it. Maybe even something like this. I have no idea, but just hold that. We'll see where we go. All right, 1, 2, 3. Actually, it looked really cool. This looks really good. What else do we want to do? Let's see. So I kind of like with you just here, looks really cool. So just put them behind you for a second. I wonder if we just let the fan go on and see what happens. Sorry, it's gonna get loud in here. So hold that. And then tilt the color down. Let's see what's happening. That's fun. I'm getting more of an idea of what I like here. Ooh, you know what would be fun? I wonder if I would see Kevin if he was behind you doing this. The ridiculous thing is this camera is actually focusing this pitch black. It's unreal. All right, are you ready, Kevin?
Yeah.
And 1, 2, 3, go. And run away. Ooh, this is looking more fun. I like it vertical. And 1, 2, 3. Ooh, this is more fun. 1, 2, 3. That's fun. I'm trying to just light your hair. So try more there. And then let your hair come in front. Good, right there, hold that. Oh yeah, all my dreams. All right, 1, 2, 3. Hold, do another one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, these are awesome. Just kind of keep going with it. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. You've like totally got the hang of this. Ooh, do that, do a couple of those again. That looks really badass. 1, 2, 3. These are all the fun things we did today. That's the shoot. Now we're gonna go ahead and edit these photos because admittedly, I didn't like quite get to where I wanted to. I mean, I got Lots of great stuff. Don't get me wrong, I'm absolutely thrilled, but I just know in my head I was taking these pictures to enhance them later in post. I'm going to be using a program called Boris Optics. It is such a cool program. I've used it before in the past and I've always been blown away by it, but we're going to see what we can do to add some light elements to this, maybe a little bit more fog, enhance it. Let's just see everything that this program has to offer. One of the things that you will automatically like about Boris is that it has a perpetual license that you can buy. So you don't have to do a subscription or pay per photo, which I know some of you absolutely hate. This company has been around forever. They're legit. In fact, they even did some of the visual effects for Ted Lasso, one of my absolute favorite shows. It's a really solid company, really solid program, and they have a ton that you can do to photos. I haven't even dived into the littlest bit of what you can do, but they have some pretty cool features here for photo manipulation, adding lighting effects, adding particles, lens flare, rays, fog, atmosphere. I mean, you name it, you can do it with this program. It is just like editing on steroids. And of course, like most editing programs, it is packed with presets as well as optical effects, so you can mimic certain film stocks or lenses. It's really as cool as it gets. You have masking and painting tools to help you really hone in on the different things that you want to do to any given image. It's so much fun. For these images here, I didn't want to go totally crazy because, well, it's not my style, but I did just have a lot of fun playing with the different things that we could do to enhance the photo. Anytime I'm editing, I'm always looking to enhance the photo, and that's definitely what this does. I did misspeak before, by the way. If you're into subscriptions, you can subscribe for like $8 a month, or you could just buy that perpetual license right now for $149. So you do you, boo, but let me know what you think of this entire shoot. I thought it was a lot of fun, pulling in some elements, just things I don't normally photograph. Brand new model, using atmosphere aerosol, the wind fan, the pavotubes from Nanlite, and of course finishing all up in Boris FX. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching and making videos like this possible. Bye.